Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead, and this is what's going on. This is Matt. Matt is
the filmer.
We're having a shoot-off right now, a shootout, and he is filming all kinds of stuff for me. I can't wait to see what he does with the footage. And Carmela's hiding behind a tree, so I can't show you that, but there's Jeremy. Jeremy!
Hello!
Jeremy is my first cousin once removed, and he's 38 years old, but what do you call me?
Aunt Bev.
Aunt Bev. Holy crap, folks.
We're cleared out to there. This is actually just 3 different trees right there.
Okay, there you go. Okay, wow. I have waited 11 years to step foot on this land. 11 years, 2 of them extremely hard work. And he's wearing the correct t-shirt that says Master of All Things Doodly. Why haven't you got a coat on?
Let's feel the weather.
But you've been sick for 2 days.
No, he's good now.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how and Jeremy do it. And Matt. Okay, folks. I can't even see where Jeremy is.
Hello, over there.
Way back there, Jeremy is standing at the edge of my property line. How cool is that?
That's the Jeremy Show.
Bump. There we go. And you thought I was a camera hog. That snow hill over there is why Daddy has not been able to clean the barn, because that's where all the barn stuff goes. We still have a snow pile. Look at this. But look. Look. Oop, you see my shadow. Let me see if I can't. Daffodils. Daffodils. Everywhere. And those two have dug up my tulips. This is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead. Yeah, don't look at my hair. And spring has finally arrived. Take care. Mwah. God bless.